are heating up in America's friendliest college town.
So check out the cool things happening this July.
One fish, two fish, little fish, big fish. Come to Catchapalooza and you catch your fish.
Don't want to fish? Head to Boomer Blast and catch the fireworks.
Got milk? The Sooner State Dairy Show does.
Join junior exhibitors and over 200 head of cattle for an utterly good time.
Knock, knock, who's there? Cow says. Cow says who? No, a cow says moo.
We guarantee better laughs than that at the Still Funny Comedy Show at Iron Monk.
Jump, stay, run, sit. Move over, Rover. Agility trials are coming to Stillwater.
Cheer on the fan favorite or the underdog, July 26th to the 28th.
Are you an athlete looking to increase your technical skills, mental stamina, and physical endurance?
Then we want you at the Epic Sports Experience.
Don't miss a beat in America's friendliest college town.
Check out our full listing of events at visitstillwater.org.